What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm gonna go over our friend Gala Games, have some good news as well as the analysis. Currently sitting at 0.035, up 0.68 on the day. Sitting market cap of 245 million. 24-hour volume is up to 103 million. So the Sims creator Will Wright enters Web3 with Voxverse, which is one of Gala's new games, and they partner with DreamWorks. So we're just going to read this a little bit here. Will Wright, designer of The Sims, absolutely massive game back in the day, right up there with games like RuneScape and Mario Kart, and founder of, it looks like it says Gala Studios, has partnered with Gala Games on a new metaverse venture, Voxverse. This week, Wright shared a glimpse into the world of Voxverse, detailing information on multiple aspects of the cube-shaped worlds. The game also recently partnered with Dreamverse, which I guess is owned by DreamWorks. So massive partnerships continuing to happen for our friend Gala Games. Very exciting. So let's hop into the analysis. We pushed right up to the resistance of the falling wedge, which we've been predicting here, and that's where we're starting to see a rejection. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a wave 2 pullback, potential leading diagonal into a wave 1. We could maybe even see this as just an impulse, wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Yeah, and then you could look at like a wave 3, wave 4, final wave 5. But it does look like the move is complete here, so I would look for a wave 2 pullback. The minimum target has almost been met at 0.34. You can bounce from that level for a wave 2, but usually it drops down in between the 0.5 and the 0.618, in between 0.033 and 0.032. Just know that you are very close to the minimum target, so it can technically push up from here. We do have a bearish divergence on the hourly that could suggest that the bulls are running out of strength, and we will see that little bit of pullback. But if we do manage to break up and we see a bear trap, as I've been predicting here, that would be a really strong sign for Gala. We push back up into this falling wedge pattern, as you can see right here, currently getting rejected by the 20 EMA. So pretty important for Gala to push back up into this level of resistance to confirm that this was indeed a bear trap, and we're going to break out of this falling wedge to the upside and head up to the point of control at 0.053, which would be a beautiful pump to the upside of about 49-50%. We would need to see the price of Bitcoin continue to rally, but I do think that is likely. Now, the bearish scenario here is a retest of the falling wedge pattern, and then we break down. We don't have a rally in the market, and Gala starts to come all the way down to the technical target at 0.019. I think it is quite likely that we will see that rally and that this is a bear trap, but of course, I'll always go over both scenarios. So that's basically it for this little update. Just some beautiful news I wanted to share with you guys with the Sims creator joining Gala Games. And in the short term, I do think we could see a little bit more pullback. But if we do bounce from here, then we can start to push up in a wave 3. Now, if we were to pull back to the 0.5, you can take your trend-based civic extension from the start of wave 1 to the top. And if we pulled back to the 0.5 and then saw a bounce, your wave 3 target would be the 1.618, which would actually be all the way up here at 0.0449. Usually it does reach the 1.618, but it can also complete at the 1 or the 1.382. But it would make sense to me that we'd see a nice impulsive push to the upside if we do break back up into the falling wedge pattern. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BitGet. Recently partnered with Lionel Messi. You can grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses just for using my referral. If you make your first trade of at least 100 USD, you will receive a 10% rebate. Email me your sign-up email after you make your first deposit. You'll get free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the $10 membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.